The purpose of the transparency assessment is to ensure that the data subject is made aware that their personal data is being used for each activity. In most cases, an organization will rely upon a privacy notice, which is provided to the data subject at the start of the relationship. Typically, this will be available on the website. ProvePrivacy also recommends that a link is added to the privacy notice on the website in the email footer. This ensures that most data subjects have the opportunity to review the privacy notice. It may be included within the welcome documentation. However, it could also be provided at the point that the data is collected, such as signage for CCTV data capture. It is important that you understand the cases where the data subject is not being made aware of how their data is being used. The personal data may be received directly from the data subject, or it could be received from a third party. For example, when a mailing list is purchased. It may also come from internal sources, where you use personal data collected through a different activity. For example, data is passed from HR to finance. Then you need to determine if the data subject is aware that the activity taking place is consistent with the information already provided to them. If it isn't, then a separate activity could be included within a privacy notice. If data is provided by the data subject, then you only need to determine if the activity is listed explicitly or generically within a privacy notice. If data is provided by a third party, we need to understand who the third party is and if we have informed the data subject that we have received their data. There is an obligation to inform the data subject within 30 days of receiving personal data. If data is received from a number of third parties, then you can select the Add More button. This will add other third parties' details as required. Once you have completed the transparency assessment, press Save before moving on to another assessment. To find out how the ProvePrivacy platform could help resolve your data challenges, get in touch or book your free demo today.